Error hunting ulit. Anong mali dito? A, B, C, or D? Or wala bang mali? Each of the students and teachers were asked to complete the survey before leaving the auditorium. 5 seconds. Tamang sagot, letter B. Baka malito kayo. Bakit B? Students and teachers naman, plural naman. Huwag kayong malilito kasi hindi sila yung subject na tinitignan natin dito. Part lang sila ng prepositional phrase. Ang legit na titignan mong subject ay yung each. At kapag merong each one, everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, someone, somebody, or no one, nobody, yung mga yan, lahat yan, singular agreement lagi. Okay? So dito, dapat each of the students and teachers was asked to complete the survey before leaving the auditorium.